This is winter squash. I've planted 2 of them. See how they're flowering. And over here we have another cherry tomato. Basil. And then this bed we have zucchini. We have zucchini there. We have this beautiful cucumber plant. The leaves are very furry when they're coming up, like these leaves. They become very furry. As soon as the leaves become like down here, they get less furry. So it starts losing the furriness when it gets bigger. And then here are the serrano peppers. So many peppers. And then this serrano pepper. This is early girl tomato, and that's cherry tomato. And then here we have an avocado tree and the kale. And then we have the early girl tomatoes, and this is what they look like. I'll show you guys. A little pointy at the end. This one is peppermint and spearmint. And we got some radishes around here, wild radishes. And we're getting a little bit of weeds. If I put wood chips, the weeds won't grow, they'll suffocate. And in the greenhouse, zucchini, sweet zucchini. And then we have cherry tomatoes, some more tomatoes. These are early girl tomatoes right here. And then here is English lavender is right here planted. Here we have the broccoli. These are beets, squash, cucumbers, shrubs. We got lettuce all right here. And over here we got a tomato plant. See? We got little tomatoes right there. We have the pomegranate tree. Oh, there was a nest. The mama bird's not gonna be happy. She worked so hard. This is a guava tree, and the fruits are so big it's weighing the tree down. That's why we put wood around it. And over here we got a cutie tree. When you're peeling it, if it sprays juice into your eyes, it burns like crazy. Delicious. One more, buddy. You want another piece? Nah, that's not.